In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bank statements into Xero. If your bank doesn't provide a direct feed or you're catching up on past transactions, importing a statement file is the quickest way to get accurate data into Xero. Before we start, make sure you have your statement file handy or be ready to use Xero's CSV template so your data lines up perfectly. From your Xero dashboard, open the accounting menu. This is your launchpad for anything related to your chart of accounts and bank activity. Next, choose Bank Accounts. Here you'll see every bank, credit card, or payment account you've set up in Xero. Find the account you want to update and select it. It's important to pick the correct one because statements can only be imported into the matching account. If you're unsure, double-check the last 4 digits or the account nickname you use in Xero. Inside the account, open the Manage Account menu. This is where Xero groups useful tools for handling transactions. Choose Import a Statement. You're now on the upload screen where you can bring in a file directly, or prepare your data using Xero's template. If your bank didn't give you a compatible OFX, CAF, or CSV file, click Download Xero CSV template, then edit the template. Enter one line per transaction and keep the columns exactly as provided. Use a clear date format like DD, YYY, or YYY, depending on your region settings in Xero. Put money in as a positive amount and money out as a negative amount, and avoid currency symbols or extra commas. Add a useful description or payee so reconciliation is faster later. Save the file as CSV when you're done. A quick tip: scan the sheet for blank rows, merged cells, or extra headers. Those often cause upload errors. Back on the upload screen, click File to upload and choose your prepared statement file. Xero will read the data and, in most cases, give you a preview. Look for obvious issues like dates out of range or amounts in the wrong sign. If anything looks off, cancel, fix your CSV, and try again. Follow the prompts to complete the upload. When it's successful, you'll see the imported statement lines waiting to be reconciled. From here, you can match them to your invoices, bills, or create spend and receive money transactions. If you accidentally imported the wrong file, you can remove those lines and re-upload. Keep a copy of the CSV you used so you have a clean record of exactly what was imported.